Welcome to Pragmatic. Today I am going to explain about the pick, pack, ship delivery process in Odoo version 19 Enterprise Edition. So in order to begin with, I am opening the inventory configuration settings. We need to make sure toggle these packages under the operation category. Also under the warehouse category, we need to make sure toggle the storage location and multi-step routes. Once it is completed, again going to the configuration, opening the warehouses. Inside the warehouse, we need to make sure the outgoing shipment as pick, pack, then deliver. And then when we open the operation type, we can able to see the pick, pack, delivery orders are available here. Now I go to the sale order and create a new sale order for the customer 𝗰𝗶𝗰𝗻. I am just adding 2 products. Dressing table as 10 quantity, the laptop accessories as 5 quantity. Saving it and confirming it. Now as a delivery user in charge perspective, I am going to the inventory. So here in the dashboard, the picking team can see one order to process. So I am opening it. Here the 2 products that we added is arriving. One is available and another one is not available. So when we validate it, we'll ask for the back order. Back order is created. Now when I come back here, we can see this one is in the waiting. Since it is not available, it is still in picking state. But when we move to the packing, the first product that we added is moved to the packing state. So I'm validating it again. Now it is successfully packed as well. Now when we move to the delivery order, there is one to deliver. I'm just validating it and it is successfully delivered. So when I come back to the sale order and refreshing it, here we can see successfully all our picking, packing and shipping process are done for the dressing table product. But for the laptop accessory product, it is still in the waiting state since it is not available. We can either manufacture or get this product or cancel it. Thank you.